Hello foreign friends! Happy holidays! Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to you all. First of all, we would like to thank you for your support for the year. It was very overwhelming and we truly appreciate your support to us. As we move forward to a prosperous 2024, we look forward to be of service with you on your visa and immigration needs here in the Philippines. From our company to yours, Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. We wish you all the best things that life can bring to you in the Philippines. Thank you, foreign friends, and we'll be seeing you soon.